Hi friends, just received my new Duracell Power Boost AAA batteries. This is a 24 units pack. As you know, AAA batteries are very useful. I need them urgently for my air conditioning remote. And I'm happy that I received them already because I live in a desert zone, and as you can see, these old batteries were all rust. So let's try them. As you can see, they come in this plastic package with this plastic sleeve in the bottom, so it's a good way to keep them while you use them. I'm gonna take two to use them in my remote for my air conditioning, and let's see. Perfect. All right. Great. There it is. Duracell AAA 24 package batteries. Great.